So this one says the graph of the quadratic function f has zeros of -8 and 4 and a maximum at -2 comma 18. What is the value of a in the function's equation? So let's talk about this briefly. I have a graph that looks like this. So I've got my maximum is somewhere up here, -2 comma 18. I have a 0 way over here at -8. And then I have a 0 over here at +4. So I have a graph that kind of looks like this. It's not perfectly drawn, but that's what it is. So they want us to find a. This is almost identical to the last problem we did. So what do I know? Well, I know that the vertex is -2 comma 18. That means that my h value is -2 and that my k value is equal to 18. I know that I have zeros, which are an x comma y value of -8 comma 0 and then 4 comma 0. That's what they give us. I have a point and I have a vertex, so I'm going to say that f of x is equal to a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k. And they want to know what a is. So then I could do all this at once if I want to, right? Remember, this is like y and this is like x. So I'm going to choose x equals 4 and y equals 0. So now wherever there's a y, I'm going to plug a 0. A stays a. My x value I'm going to plug in is 4 minus my h value, which is -2. Square that plus my k value, which is 18. All right, so far so good. When you minus a minus, it's a plus. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 squared is 36, right? So I get 36a plus 18 is equal to 0. I'm going to subtract 18 from both sides. I get -18 is equal to 36 times a. Divide both sides by 36. Why did I put 33? Now I get a equals -18 over 36, but I could just rewrite that as -18 over 36 like this. So I want to reduce that. I know that they're both divisible by I think 18, right? Yeah, 18 divided by 18 is 1. 36 divided by 18 is 2. Don't forget the negative sign. So then I get a is equal to -1/2. Now, let's say you didn't know they were both divisible by 36. What if I said they were both divisible by 2? Well, then I get 9 over 18. And then I could do 9 divided by 9. you still get, as long as you keep going until you can't stop, you'll still get 1 over 2, as long as you're doing your math correctly. You just keep going, dividing by numbers until you can't divide by, you can't divide the numerator and denominator by a common number anymore. Okay? That's it on that one. I totally did not. You guys understood what I said, right? About reducing fractions? Mr. Adams.